With the popularity of ductless mini-split systems in many homes and businesses these days, regular cleaning and maintenance is necessary, but it can be a challenge. Often, mini-split indoor coils are in living spaces where it may be difficult to clean them without spilling cleaning solution on walls and flooring, or they may grow mold and emit odors when they don't drain the condensate properly. Nu-Calgon offers a number of products specifically designed for the proper cleaning and maintenance of mini-split and ceiling cassette systems, keeping them running efficiently and providing a comfortable and pleasant living space. When cleaning a ductless system, make sure you first turn the power off to the unit. Always use a CleanGuard mini-split maintenance bag to protect walls, office space, and flooring from overspray. The reusable CleanGuard installs in seconds using an elastic collar to fit tightly around the indoor unit, and it features an integrated drain line that you simply place in a bucket. CleanGuard comes in 3 sizes. Regular version fits units up to 12,000 BTUs, while CleanGuard XL fits units 18,000 to 36,000 BTUs in size. We also offer CleanGuard CC, which is designed for ceiling cassette systems. Nu-Calgon offers 2 aerosol coil cleaners that work the best with mini-split units. EvapFresh No Rinse is a ready-to-use cleaner and disinfectant for evaporator coils. It is EPA registered for HVAC applications. No rinsing is required, and it cleans and disinfects in one easy step. Make sure you use EvapFresh in the barrel blower area where mold tends to grow. Another solution is Tri-Power HD Aerosol, which provides a powerful foaming spray to assist in lifting debris off of coils. It's a detergent, degreaser, and deodorizer all in one convenient spray. Both of these coil cleaners use the evaporator coil's condensation to self-rinse. When additional rinsing of the coil and blower is needed, we offer the Turbo Tank Rinsing Sprayer, a battery-powered, portable sprayer for water rinsing of Nu-Calgon cleaner off coils and blowers. It provides 130 psi water pressure with different nozzle options, including an 8-inch mini-split 90-degree spray wand to reach tough spots. To keep mini-split condensate pans and drains clean, odor-free, and flowing, we recommend Clenair's Pure Cool Green Mini Strip. Each strip can be cut to size and will slowly dissolve in the condensate water, providing preventative treatment for 4 to 6 months. Another odor-controlling mini-split product is Clenair's Mini-Fresh, which easily installs on the return louvers of the indoor unit and leaves clean, fresh air behind. For the most effective air purification of the entire living space, Nu-Calgon offers the iWave M, an ion-generating bar designed specifically for ductless mini-splits. As the air flows past the iWave M, the device purifies the air, killing mold, bacteria, and viruses, and reducing allergens, smoke odors, static electricity, and particles in the air without creating ozone or any harmful byproducts. The iWave M does not require replacement parts, making it more cost-effective than other air purifiers. Whether you use these products for preventative maintenance or to address a performance problem with your mini-split system, you'll see immediate results that provide efficiency and comfort to your home or business.